Hi, this is Alex Galitsky, the inventor of SignStapler, and in this video I'm going to show you how to assemble the SignStapler for the first time. Thank you for purchasing my product. I really appreciate your business. So, in your kit you should have gotten this pole, the stapler hammer tacker made by Arrow, and a box of staples, like this, 1/2 inch staples. First thing we're going to do is we need to add staples to our stapler. You do that by taking the staple pusher out. This one I already have staples in, but this is how they go. They go on this track. So you put it in and let it slide. It should take 2 full strips of staples. And you just latch it back on, and this is ready to go. Next, we're going to insert it into the tool. Okay, I'm going to put it in just like that, sideways. Okay, then this action part needs to face the sign holder. So once it's in, we twist it, and you're good to go. Okay, this is nice and tight. So the way it's held on is by attaching this clip is holding right on that little lip here. So it's precision drilled right to the groove. So it's really easy to operate, very easy to change staples, very fast. So thanks again for purchasing the product. Good luck. Hope you get lots of leads.